Hello students, how are you? Welcome to 5th standards. Today I will teach you EVS first lesson, our earth and our solar system. When we look up from open ground, we see the daytime we see sun, and clearly nighttime we see star and moons. This is called heavenly bodies. Heavenly body means the star, the moon, the sun, the planets, etc. This is called heavenly bodies. Star is a part of this heavenly body. Look at this picture. What is meant by star? Stars means the heavenly body that twinkle are called star. The heavenly body that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. Stars have their own light. स्टार म्हणजे काय? जे तारे लुकलुकतात त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? स्टार म्हणतो. आणि ह्या स्टार्सना स्वतःची लाईट असते. Our sky, there are many stars, but sun is closer to us than any other star. Our sky, there are many stars, but sun is closer to us than any other stars. Do you understand star? Now we will see planets. What is meant by planets? The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets means the heavenly body that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the star. Look at that picture and see our solar system like sun, planets, moon, etc. First upon we will see first planet is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and eighth is Neptune. That means our solar system totally 8 planets. Do you understand planet system? Then we will see rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. First of all, what is mean by rotation? Rotation means planet turn around itself. It's called rotation. Rotation means planets turn around itself. It is called rotation. रोटेशन म्हणजे काय? कोणतीही वस्तू स्वतःभोवती फिरते त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? रोटेशन असं म्हणतो. नाव वी विल सी रिव्होल्यूशन. Revolution means planets turn around the sun is called revolution. Planet turn around the sun is called revolution. म्हणजेच काय? कोणतीही वस्तू एका वस्तूभोवती फिरते त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? रिव्होल्यूशन. म्हणजे प्लॅनेट्स हे सूर्याभोवती फिरतात ह्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? रिव्होल्यूशन असं म्हणतो. नाव वी विल सी ऑर्बिट्स. Orbits means every planets in solar system revolve around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as planets' orbits. I repeat again definition. Every planets in solar system revolve around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as planets' orbits. Planets' orbits म्हणजे काय? तर प्लॅनेट्स एका ठरलेल्या विशिष्ट मार्गाने सूर्याभोवती फिरतात. त्या मार्गाला आपण काय म्हणतो? ऑर्बिट्स असं म्हणतो. डू यू अंडरस्टँड रोटेशन, रिव्होल्यूशन अँड ऑर्बिट्स? नाव वी विल सी satellites. Satellites means some heavenly body revolve around the planets. These are called satellites. Satellites means some heavenly body revolve around the planets. These are called satellite. There are two types of satellites: man-made satellites and natural satellites. In these slides, we will see natural satellites. Moon is a satellite of the earth. Moon is a satellite of the earth. We see moon in a night time. Satellite to get their light from the sun. Satellite to get their light from the sun. Satellite म्हणजे काय? उपग्रह. आपल्या पृथ्वीचा उपग्रह कोण आहे? तर चंद्र. चंद्र हा आपल्या पृथ्वीभोवती फिरत असतो, म्हणून त्याला आपल्या पृथ्वीचा काय म्हटलेला आहे? उपग्रह असं म्हटलेलं आहे. डू यू अंडरस्टँड सॅटेलाइट? नाव वी विल सी dwarf planet. Dwarf planet means there are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. I repeat again. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. For example, Plato, Eris, Sirius, Makemake, etc. These are dwarf planets. They have an orbit of their own. Do you understand? Dwarf planets. Now we will see asteroids. Asteroids means do you see Mars and Jupiter here? What is between Mars and Jupiter? See, there is a band of small heavenly bodies. This band is called asteroids. This band is called asteroids. Means between Mars and Jupiter there is a band of small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. Do you understand solar system? The solar system, the center of solar system is a sun, and revolve around it. There orbit the planets, satellites, dwarf planets, asteroids are all part of the solar system. Do you understand solar system? Now we will meet next video. Bye.